Hello, internet friends, and hello from Hawaii. No, this isn't really Hawaii. This is Las Vegas. I am currently in Hawaii, but I decided to run out to the hangar Friday morning, which is when this is actually Friday afternoon. But I was waiting for calls and stuff for work, and occasionally on Friday, no work happens. So although some work did happen, people started texting me and emails, but luckily nothing I had to be at an actual computer for. So I was able to handle it all from my phone. And in the meantime, I was like, let me get some work done on the plane since I'm going to be gone for a week and I have a few hours now. What could I possibly get done? And my plan is when I get back to paint the tunnel here and the crossbars on the firewall and the side fuselage skins with my jet flex. So I thought, you know what I could do? I could mask off the firewall so when I get back I can just spray it. So that's what I did. Now that I'm thinking about it, because I was wondering what else I could have done, I guess I could have got out the skins and prepped them for paint, but I probably would have had to Clico them and figure out which side to paint, so that would have taken longer. Okay, what else? Update on last night's Pro-Seal adventure. So I came back this morning, and of course I'm like, ooh, is it cured yet? And I touched it, and it was not cured, and it stuck to my finger, and I was confused. So of course then I went and read the data sheet for the Pro-Seal, and it says it has a 2-hour application life, right? But a 24-hour tack life. It has definitely not been 24 hours. So yeah, don't be me. Realize that if you buy the ChemSeal B2 from Aircraft Spruce, B2 means application life, not tack life. So yeah, it's going to be 24 hours for that to cure. So by the time I get back from Hawaii, it should all be good. I also showed my fuel lines to my hangar neighbor with the RV8, and he looked at them and said, look good to me. So there we go. I have one, I think this will work from me, actually, putting them on, and another, I think it will work. So I guess the real test would be to hook up the fuel system, which is one of my plans. So once I get all the fuel tubes in place, I will hook them up somehow, make a test jig, maybe like make a line that goes down into a fuel can and then transfer fuel to another fuel can, and then I could test the valve. That wouldn't test the return lines though. How could I test the return lines? I don't know. I'd have to have a way to recirculate the fuel back from the fuel line, which would be attach the engine, but I don't have an engine. So I can at least test one set of fuel lines that way. And I'm more concerned about the fuel pump than I am the actual lines. So there's that. I guess I could also build the tanks and attach them and test them that way, but then I'd have fuel in the tanks, and I don't really want fuel in the tanks until I'm ready to start an engine. So I guess I'll think about how I'm going to test that. I will say it was nice to get out to the hangar early in the morning. The metal roof starts radiating a bunch of heat. About, I want to say like 11:30 is when I finished up. So, and I've tried to like finish work early and then go out there, and I get there like 1 or 2, and it's just too hot until the sun goes down. So maybe I need to change up my strategy and go early in the morning and then work until the roof starts radiating heat and then get out of there. Or I could just move stuff to my garage and then build the wings there. But I'm working on the fuselage right now, not the wings. So that's for the future. I guess the other thing I need to do is organize my tools. I still have one table that's just the mess table, which you can see in the background there, where I'm like, here's a place I'm going to put stuff that I need to organize later. And that day never seems to come, but eventually it needs to come because I need that space. So anyway, if you also have a mess table and want to come chat about it, come join our Slack group. And in fact, I would like to welcome, we have actual celebrities on the Slack group now. Andrew Kilroy just joined a couple days ago. So congrats, Andrew, for finally making it over and not, you can torment us there. And we'll try not to torment you with too many questions. Okay, see everyone in the next video.